Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. I'm showing you how to replace a wing mirror glass. As you can see, mine's somehow popped off or something. There's only some black sticky tape in there, so I'm assuming in the past someone just replaced the glass and stuck it on top and it's fallen off. I know there's a little blind spot mirror there, but it's just a temporary thing while I was waiting for my mirror to come through. So what you gotta do first is set your mirror on left, and you want to put it as inwards as possible towards you, if that makes sense, like that, and maybe downwards as well. And I'll show you why. The reason I put it inwards and downwards is to form this gap over here in the back, so you should be able to pull it forward like so, just like that. And you have to be careful as taking off these two wires over here for the heated mirror. So I want to do that now. I don't know if these two ankles are a bit stuck. Okay, so with a little persuasion, you managed to get them off. Here's the new mirror. So you can see on this side of the old mirror, there's a thing that pops up. So we don't have to do the same with this, but it comes just stuck on the back for some reason, so you have to do it yourself. So just get this and slide it in. Slide it in like so. And then just do the reverse to put it in. So you gotta pop on your two. So hard to do one hand. Just gotta put these two back on. And then the mirror just simply put back in place. You should hear a few clicks, and that's it. Then, so that is how you replace a wing mirror on a Mk7 Golf. Sorry, the wing mirror glass.